Hello, let's talk about the big, bad wolf of vegetables, the onion. Dun dun dun. This guy wants to make you cry, but I'm going to show you how to cut him up without one tear. The secret is avoiding the center. Do onions have a core? Because that's what we are not cutting. That center bit right there, we're going to cut right around it. If you want to cut that center afterward, go ahead. If you want to cry at the end, go ahead. But while you're cutting up your onion, I feel like you don't want to be in tears the whole time. And I promise you, if you just cut off the sides, the outsides, and avoid slicing through this center core, that right there, that's the bad guy. Just don't slice through that. At least don't slice through it at first. Don't slice through it until you want to cry. You can still peel your onion. You can use all those outside pieces for whatever reason. Someone smarter than me knows what it is. All I know is those little outside pieces that we can slice beautifully are tear-free, delicious onions. Take that. Bye.